Our military is unbelievable. They're doing an unbelievable job. We're negotiating with the Iranians. We have, you probably heard, we took our 3 destroyers and we rammed them through some pretty big stuff today, and we knocked the hell out of them. The destroyers weren't hurt in any way. The people weren't hurt, but they were firing at us, and we were firing back at them. And our firepower was a hell of a lot stronger than theirs, and they knocked the hell out of them. They took down a lot of small boats. You know, we call them small boats or fast boats. They're both small and they're fast, with some weaponry on the front. You know, this is what. So this is now replacing the Navy. They had a Navy 159 boats. They have none. Okay, they're all at the bottom of the sea. So they replaced that with what they call the fast boat. It's a fast boat, big deal. It's fast. It's got a machine gun in front. They've been knocked down. They knocked out quite a few of them today. Yesterday they knocked out 8. They average 8 a day. This is some group of people we're dealing with.
This dispute between the U.S. and the Iran is getting out of hand. Why do I say so? Do you know that Iranians seize ship from U.S.? That is the ship that U.S. own, despite the ceasefire deal. And you know that Donald Trump has been seeking for peace deal. And I believe that as Donald Trump is seeking for peace deal, it shows that he is not happy with what is happening between the U.S. and the Iran. And Donald Trump believes that the Iranians are friends to the U.S. or to the Americans, while also Americans are also friends to the Iranian. And as much as this friendship continues, it is not good to be killing one another. Now, from the video I want to play for you, you will notice that Iran seized ship from US. That is a ship that belongs to the US. And this is drawing attention of the US. And with this, I don't think that maybe President Donald Trump will condone this. But I pray that President Donald Trump will accept and tolerate. Because as a father, you are not supposed to beat your child anytime he messes up. So, watch this video. You will hear everything concerning the ship Iranians or Iran sees. And that ship belongs to the US. Watch this.
We have a statement directly from the army, Iranian army, and saying that there was a court decision, a judicial order about this ship, the Ocean-Kui, and based on that judicial order, the Navy of the Islamic Republic of Iran has seized this ship in the Sea of Oman. And so they are saying that this ship was attempting to disrupt and harm the oil export and interest of the Iranian nation by taking the advantage of the regional conditions now. And it said in this operation, so the commandos and the Marines of the Navy guided the violating tanker to the southern shores of the country and handed it over to the judicial authorities. So now it has been taken to the Iranian shores, and of course they're warning that any violation is not going to be accepted. But the interesting thing is that, Nick, so according to the records of the U.S. Treasury, the same ship is actually under the U.S. sanctions, and the United States claimed that the Ocean-Kui has operated as a part of the Iranian shadow fleet since at least 2020. And according to the same statement, so the Barbados flagged Ocean-Kui, owned by Marshall Island-based Ocean Kudus Shipping Limited, has transported millions of barrels of Iranian high sulfur oil and condensate since May 2025. So there is quite an interesting case here. So while Iranians saying that this ship was attempting to undermine Iran's national interest and Iran oil reserves, So Americans are saying that actually it is a part of the Iranian shadow fleet. So in the coming hours, perhaps we are going to have a better and clearer picture about exactly what was the reason that Iranian forces have seized the ship.
And Russell, with all that going on, how are we set with negotiations, with mediation right now? Any sign of progress at all?
Well, indeed, just the foreign minister of the country has tweeted and saying that, anytime when there is a progress in any diplomatic solution or engagement, so always there are attempts somehow undermining this process, whether it's directly by the USA or indirectly by some spoilers. So here, Iranians are confirming that still they are reviewing the U.S. proposal, and the Iranian response is soon going to be sent to the Pakistani mediators to be conveyed to Washington. So what we know is that Iranian officials are saying there have been some significant progress in this diplomatic engagement, but still there are wide gaps between the position of two countries. So Iranians are saying that we have a three-phase approach. In the first phase, the war must end, and there must be guarantees that it's not going to be renewed, and the guarantees must come from the United Nations Security Councils, then lifting the blockade, then reopening the Strait of Hormuz. However, while Iranians are saying that the dispute is directly about the new maritime regime that Iran announced about the Strait of Hormuz, and based on that, Iran saying that it is going to keep its sovereignty over the Strait of Hormuz, and that is now, at this stage at least, one of the main contentious point between the two parties.
But I want to let you know that as long as Iran continues to hold this ship that belongs to the US, it will draw attention. It will draw more misunderstanding between the US and the Iran, since Donald Trump is seeking for peace deal. And I pray that the Iranians should accept peace deal so that all these disputes, crisis, will come to an end. All this below this one, Strait of Hormuz crisis, in fact, all these things will come to an end so that peace will reign. There is no benefit in crisis. There is no gain in war. So, I hope you had everything in this video. What is your own opinion? Drop it in the comment section. I really enjoy your time for watching my video, and I really appreciate. So, make sure that you subscribe on this channel, hit the like button, and turn on the bell so that anytime I publish the next latest updates, news, you will get notification. See you in the next one, and bye.